Good day, my friends, and welcome. We will in this video show you how to delete Shopify tags. So the tags help you organize your products, customers, and orders, but old, misspelled, or duplicate tags can quickly clutter your store filters and admin dropdowns. Alright, so firstly let us look at how to remove a tag from an individual product, customer profile, or order. So navigate to Shopify admin dashboard, then click on products. Or customers or orders in the left sidebar menu and select the item you want to edit. I will just choose my t-shirt, and on the right here where we have status and all, as you can see we have a setting which is tags, and in here everything is pretty simple. Let me just add a quick tag, for example test, add test, and if you want to delete it just hover over it with your mouse, press on this cross like that, and you will instantly remove it. And after you do that, just press on save right here in the top. And for example, if your tag is attached to dozens or hundreds of items and you want to strip it out all at once, in your Shopify sidebar, click on products or customers, and then select all the items in your store. You can do it like this. Bingo. And now you're looking to do more actions and find remove tags. So what you're looking to do is clicking on these three dots right here when you choose all your products. And here we have remove tags. You can just press on this button and all of the tags in these, all of these products you just chose will be removed seamlessly in bulk. That's it. Enjoy as always and like the video and subscribe to the channel.